learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Xiaojia Historic House is a Grade 3 listed building in Pingtung County. Completed in 1880, this rare structure is composed of a square within a square, giving the building strong defensive capabilities. When the Qing Dynasty government ceded Taiwan to Japan, the Hakka settlement in Liudui refused to surrender, and Xiaojia House formed the center of one of the most famous battles in Liudui history. Nowadays, the building is a living monument to a long-lost lifestyle, with exhibits on winemaking, cloth dyeing, and rice cultivation.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
大家好，我係阿邊個Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It's the month of August, right in the middle of summer, and I think it's time for Leo to bring us out into the open, out to different places around Taiwan that has some Hakka culture. 今天还是持续要带我们去哪里玩才比较好嘛？夏天到了，应该多走走嘛。
好啊，那我就带大家去南部，非常非常的尾巴的地方。
鹅銮鼻，
再上来一点。
Okay, 好。So we're gonna actually go to southern Taiwan, not near Kending and 鹅銮鼻, a little bit north. 那还在屏东咯。
嘿，错，就是屏东嘅嘉东乡。
啊，我听过嘉东乡嘛 ，right？
对。
Okay, this place is in Pingtung County, known as 嘉东 Township. How do you say that? 嘉东。
嘉东乡。
嘉东乡。Okay, that's 嘉东 or 嘉东 Township. So what's famous here? 这边有什么东西很著名的？
好，我们今天就要去嘉东乡的小家落屋。
小家落屋，这是什么？
就是一个萧家的老屋。
哦，姓萧的这样子。
对。
We're going to a historic place that's known as the Xiaojia House, and Xiao is actually a surname here in Taiwan.
这个萧家老屋它的那个房子是传统的4房屋，然后其实是台湾很少见到的。他们在1985年的时候就被列为3级古迹，有100多年历史了。
所以它真的是古迹了哈。
对。
It's an actual historic site because the structure, the building, is something that is rare to find now, and it's called a 火房。
4房
屋
就是4合院、3合院、4合院那种传统的那种房屋的结构。
Okay, so a 4房屋 is actually a rectangular or square-shaped structure that is from the old ancient times, and again, it's very hard to find.
那边还有人在居住，但是呢，他也愿意让大家来参观，来看看这个在台湾已经很少看到的4房屋了。
Oh, that is so awesome and cool. Even though there's still someone that lives here, but it's still open to the public because it's got a lot of historic value. You're more than welcome to visit and check out some of the history behind this. All right, and that's something you can do when you go to southern Taiwan. There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.